Country people, I greet on and a good morning. This calm morning for Abuja. This na the Federal High Court Abuja, and na BBC Pidgin. Now they bring on this live video from the Federal High Court Abuja, where we come to continue the hearing of Yoruba Nation activist Sunday Igboho 12/8, where the DSS custody since July 1. And I remember say on Monday we been come here to come continue the hearing when the justice where they in charge of the case will be Justice Obiora Egwatu be order say make DSS bring the 12/8 come court, saying one using 2 koro. I see them. So that on Monday where we come here, the DSS obey the order, bring only 8 come, they no complete the 12. So the hearing no progress as it's supposed to be, because the lawyer to the appellant will be Pelumi Olajengbesi come beg the judge where they handle the case, Obiora Egwatu, say they need to correct some of the names where they in list and the ones where they DSS list, because some of the names no tally. So by law, if the names no tally, it means say na different people entirely. So in come beg Justice Obiora Egwatu to give them time. So that on Monday, Justice Obiora Egwatu come adjourn the case to today, will be August 4. So as today be the D-Day where the proper hearing go begin, we promise on us say we go carry on come the Federal High Court to tell on as the thing they happen. So today na August 4 will be the date where Justice Obiora Egwatu adjourn the case to. So we don't come here to tell on us say BBC Pidgin dey ground for the Federal High Court Abuja. We go they bring on details as the matter go they progress. As a day here, so I don't see say the lawyer to the 12 Yoruba Nation activists Sunday Igboho 8 in the already come court. Pelumi Olajengbesi, I see I never tell I seen come court. Some security personnel too, DSS people don't already dey ground. The way they take come early today, be like say then go do the matter sharp because it don't tell where this matter they go on. So now for the Federal High Court 9 we dey so country people. What? Excuse me. Country people, now so it be. Excuse me, I'm doing something.